CQ, CQ, CQDX, CQDX, CQDX. 1105, Newfoundland, Canada. We're trying.
Yeah, there's something 05. Question mark 05. Wonderful Newfoundland. Charlie India 01. See Charlie I India 01. Southwest signal, cool.
Charlie India 01. 1105 has got a copy on you, my friend. Charlie India 01, 1105, Newfoundland, Canada. We are QSY 227410 and standing by for future communication.
1105, meet you there. Thank you, sir. Newfoundland, Charlie India 01. See Charlie I India 01. Operator David, Delta Alpha Victor India Delta. Stand by, see you guys.
Charlie India 01, this is 1105, 1105, Newfoundland, Canada. The personal here is Alpha, November, Delta, Yankee. Certainly appreciating you doing the QSY to 27410, and we're standing by for some communication.
Roger, I think you said personal Andy, and you're 1105 in Newfoundland. Okay, Andy. Weather 5 and 5, radio 5, signal 5. Yeah, there's a lot of stations from all over the place on 385. So what we've been doing, just putting out a call on 385 and sliding up QSY into this frequency. It's a little bit quieter, a little bit more chance of some sort of reasonable conversation, I think, western side there. So you're just beginning to go up towards that direction, I guess, guys.
Roger, the community that you're referring to is the northern peninsula. It's the northern tip of the island part of Newfoundland, Labrador, and that would be St. Anthony. That's about a 5-hour drive from my community right now.
Yeah, I know it's quite a long way up there. I spoke to somebody up there years and years ago there, but there you go. I will find you on the map when I get it home, because I did have a station from Newfoundland many years ago sent me a very large, detailed wall map of just of Newfoundland, Labrador province there. And it's got every little tiny fishing community and all the ferries and all loads of information on there that shows all the lakes and rivers and everything. So, no problem finding you there. It's very handy because, you know, you get your general map and you can only see the slightly bigger places like, you know, I don't know, we'll say like St. John's, and in the centre you've got Grand Falls, Windsor, and Bishop Falls and that type of place, and down over in the west it will show Cornwall. But it won't show much else, but that's a detailed wall map that shows all the communities.
Roger that, David. We are at this point in time probably losing some condition for our communication across the pond. We certainly are hearing you well when you're in there, and we're going to continue to monitor this frequency for a little bit and see if the conditions do improve. 1105, Newfoundland, Canada. We certainly appreciate you getting back to us.
Yeah, it's going up and down. You're actually between a 3 and a 7. You're between a 3 and a 7 here. So sometimes you signal 3, sometimes you 5, sometimes you 7, sometimes back to 3 again. But I do copy what you say there, Andy. I can tell you the weather here, the WX today, cloudy, overcast with drizzly rain this morning. In the morning, cloudy, overcast, drizzly rain. This afternoon, still cloudy, but the clouds are much higher. A little tiny bit of blue sky and sunshine occasionally. Temperature is about 18, it's about 18 degrees, Andy, go ahead.
Roger, David. Copy that loud and clear. It doesn't sound too bad for this time of year. Currently our conditions are sunny with cloudy periods here. We had a frost warning last night, but that was cancelled as of sometime this morning. It didn't look like it panned out. We have a +5 this morning, and it's probably, we're sitting right now probably at close to 10 degrees, and it's supposed to be getting up highs of 15 degrees Celsius today.
Well, that sounds pretty good for Newfoundland at this time of year. year. From what I can remember, it does sound pretty good for Newfoundland this time of year, Andy. I'll tell you about my radio station. I'm transmitting from a parked car. I'm transmitting from a parked static car in the town. The radio transmitter is an OG-86 from the 1980s. It's the A2 Fox Tango 7574 X-ray. 750. The power is about 120, about 120 watts of power, and the antenna is a three-element beam, three-element directional beam, horizontal, it's flat side, is between 20 and 25 feet in the air on a small telescopic mast pole near the back of my car, and the antenna is manufactured by a company called Stereo out of Italy, South Europe. So that's the working conditions, radio equipment for my parked car. So microphone to you, Andy.
Certainly appreciate the information. We're logging all this down, Dave. I am currently operating on my Cherokee CBS 1000. It's being operated. It's a few months I've been using this pretty well consistently. But I also have a unit in Washington that I put online sometimes. Currently using an Antron 99, which is at the base of the antenna about 7 feet in the air. So the antenna and the height from the base, you're probably looking at to the tip, probably about 25 to 30 feet maybe. We're just operating that through a linear here that's right now, she is on low capacity right now, getting about 50 watts.
Roger on that, Andy. Yeah, Roger's on that. I tell you what, you'll find that Antron, if you could get that Antron 10 feet more in the air, if you could get that Antron 10 feet higher, you'd find a big difference on the long distance DX. Yep, you definitely find those Antrons. Those Antrons do like to get the base of them up quite a long way in the air for long distance DX. If you had the capability or possibility of getting it up maybe 10 feet higher into the air, you'd find it really, really going there. It's doing a good job now. It is doing a good job, but you would find a significant improvement on long distance DX when the conditions are in if you could get that 10 feet higher. Well, okay there, Andy. I thank you for the nice contact, sir. Thank you for your time and patience. I'm going to wish best wishes to you and the family. I do call on Channel 38 lower sideband quite regular, and I generally QSY slide up here to 410 to try and have a little better QSO. So maybe we can do this again. Conditions are becoming more favourable as the days and weeks go by. So I'll say 73 to you, thank you, all the best there. The 1105, I don't know if you're in North Atlantic 1105, but anyway, the 1105 Andy, Western Newfoundland, from Charlie India 01, David in Southwest England. We'll be clear on your final, Andy, if you still read me, guys.
Roger, Dave, receiving you loud and clear, my friend. We certainly do appreciate you getting back to us today, and we look forward to future communication with you. We understand you monitor 385 and you QSY to 410, so we'll be watching both spots when we're on the radio. I just want to tell you, Dave, I've been doing what they would call a Videogate this morning. I'm actually videotaping this communication, so if you'd like to, you could go to YouTube sometime today. When you get a chance, go to YouTube. That's www.youtube.com. And you can look for my channel or my name, which is Tobin Industrial, which is the common spelling, Tobin, and Industrial, all one word. That's under YouTube. And you will find some videos there, and you will find this one today, hopefully, if I get it loaded up. But anyway, David, if you understand that, that'd be great if you could do that, and we could probably make communication through there. I'd like to send all the good numbers to you today, and for getting back to us, certainly do appreciate taking the time, and we hope to catch you sometime in the very near future.
Okay, got that about the Tobin Industrial, all one word on YouTube. Okay, thank you for the information. Best wishes to you and the families there, Andy, and we'll try and do it again real soon. After today, today. I won't be on the radio for a few days. I'll be a little bit busy for work, but the end of the week and the weekend, we will be back on again after today, and we'll have the antenna pointing your way across the Atlantic, so see if we can do it again. 73 Sandy, all the best on work to our son David, Charlie India 01, Cornwall, Western England, 300 miles west of London. Bye-bye, thank you.
The Androx Sandbagging Station, 1105. We are QRT. Thanks, Dave, and we'll talk to you later.